In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign into Plex on PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So go on that Plex app and open it and wait for it to load. And after it's loaded, here you will see the sign in button. Here you will see the sign up for free, and if you want you can also skip the sign up. So if we click X on sign in, here you will get two options to sign in. First one is you can use this link plex.tv/link and enter this code and you will be signed in, or you can scan the QR code using your phone and sign in through your phone. So if you just go on skip sign up, and the Plex app will start and wait for it to load, and you will be able to watch the shows and movies without signing up. So I hope this information helped you out, and thanks for watching.